Stumps, the remnants of battles long past, still holding their ground, but not for long. Today we're unleashing mechanical beasts to end their reign. Welcome to Discover Tech. Let's make it happen. Always wear complete protective gear when carrying out highly dangerous work. The 120-pound diesel engine block was no match for the shredder's immense torque output. This machine clearly operates in a power class of its own. Manual clearing of embedded roots and compacted vegetation is both labor-intensive and time-consuming. The rotary stick brush rake offers an efficient solution, extracting stumps, roots, and debris in a single pass. Ideal for site prep, land restoration, or forestry maintenance. If this video blew your mind, smash that one in the comments below. Your support keeps the creative energy flowing.
Look at the jaws on this thing.
There's nothing like cracking open a fresh crate and seeing the Denuser Intimidator gleam in the sunlight. Once bolted up and ready, it's showtime. And its first challenge? A gnarly old pine stump the excavator left behind. No problem. The Intimidator clamps down like a steel trap and rips that sucker free like it was never rooted. Most tools would struggle, but not this duo. The HB 4700 hammers down with smooth, ruthless efficiency, and the Hitachi 670 LCH holds steady like they were born to work together. Power, precision, perfectly matched. There's a quiet beauty in this. No plastic, no shortcuts, just raw timber, elbow grease, and solid steel. It's the kind of honest work that feels almost forgotten. Sometimes I think we need more of this in the modern world. After the harvest is done, the real cleanup begins. Out comes the Stump Buster, a high-tech drill rig that dives over half a meter into the soil, slicing through roots like butter. The best part? It barely disturbs the earth, keeping the land healthy and ready for the next crop. Way better than doing it by hand. Pair the Bobcat T650 with the Stumper 280, and you've got more than just a grinder. You've got a land-clearing assassin. This duo doesn't just nibble at stumps, it devours them. No flying chips, no mess, just pure torque-driven precision. Engineered with both power and precision, this mid-sized chipper features a robust cat engine and dual hydraulic feed rollers that handle most material efficiently. However, with irregular or twisted wood, occasional resistance is expected. The wide feed throat mitigates this, making it one of the most capable and balanced chippers in its class. This on-site shredder offers a smart solution for processing bulky white goods. By eliminating the need for transport, it reduces logistical risks and significantly boosts operational efficiency. Stubborn stumps present a significant challenge in land clearing operations, often resisting conventional methods. The custom stump splitter is engineered to address precisely this issue. Utilizing high-pressure force, it penetrates and fractures even dense root networks, significantly increasing efficiency and reducing manual labor. You're watching more than just trucks on a trail. This is a high-stakes dance of steel and mud. Every turn, every throttle press counts. These drivers, cool under pressure, navigating lumber-laden beasts through terrain that would stop most in their tracks. I remember when this job took 2 guys and most of the afternoon. Now, 1 operator, a Cat 304 CR, and a Black Splitter S2 X800 finish it in minutes. Amazing how far we've come. The JAK 400 tree shear is more than just a cutting tool. It's an innovation in land management. Equipped with a robust twin ram system for consistent force and a durable hard ox blade for clean cuts, it's ideal for efficient clearing operations. Whether you're managing small woodlands or preparing sites at speed, back in 1982, Stumpster set out to build stump grinders that worked hard without costing a fortune. Fast forward to today, they've nailed it. If you're serious about clearing land and want gear that performs like the pros use, but priced like you still shop smart, Stumpster delivers. For operations in rugged and muddy environments, the Valmet 830.1 delivers outstanding performance. Engineered to handle payloads of up to 9 tons, this machine offers exceptional stability, strength, and traction in the most demanding conditions. The principle behind the trommel is elegantly simple: rotation, gravity, and precise aperture sizing. It functions as a mechanical sorter, no electronics, no AI, just physics at work. A timeless solution in material separation. There was a time you'd spend days swinging an axe and nursing sore muscles. Not anymore. This machine takes a week's worth of firewood work and crushes it in under an hour, and barely breaks a sweat doing it. This is a remarkably efficient prototype. A 6-kilowatt motor producing 3 cubic meters per hour is no small feat. The single-blade splitting approach is a smart design choice, minimizing jams often seen with multi-wedge systems. It's a great example of how simplicity can outperform more complex setups. Beneath the shadow of giants, the winch roars to life. Steel cable slithers tight, coiling with silent tension, like a serpent ready to strike. With its rapid cutting speed, this automatic firewood saw significantly enhances productivity while minimizing the need for physical effort. The TST 800 tower yarder is purpose-built for timber extraction on steep slopes and restricted environments. Its precision-focused design ensures efficient log transport while minimizing damage, making it an ideal choice for operations where control and care are paramount.